The sound that defined Lamborghini for decades is gone. The naturally aspirated V10 is dead, and replacing it is one of the boldest engines Lamborghini has ever built. But instead of downsizing like most rivals, Lamborghini did the opposite. The new Temerario uses an all-new twin-turbo V8 that revs to nearly 10,000 RPM, something almost unheard of in a road-going turbocharged supercar. And that's where things get interesting. Because Lamborghini isn't just replacing the Huracán, it's trying to prove that a hybrid can be just as exciting as the V10 legend it replaces. If they succeed, Ferrari, McLaren, and Porsche should be paying attention. Here's why. Every performance brand faces the same problem: stricter emissions rules, growing electrification, and customers demanding more performance than ever. Most manufacturers respond with smaller engines and hybrid assistance. Lamborghini chose a different path. Engineers created a brand new twin-turbo V8 paired with 3 electric motors, producing a combined 907 horsepower. That's more power than the Huracán STO, more than the Aventador SVJ. But the horsepower isn't the real story. The electric motors aren't there just for efficiency. They're there to sharpen throttle response, reduce turbo lag, and make the car react instantly. In theory, it delivers the response of a naturally aspirated engine with the power of a modern turbocharged supercar. And that's exactly where Lamborghini is taking on Ferrari. But performance isn't the only battlefield. The Temerario still looks unmistakably Lamborghini: sharp, low, aggressive. Yet underneath those dramatic lines is a stronger focus on aerodynamics, cooling, and high-speed stability. Every vent, every intake, every surface has a purpose. Because modern supercars aren't won by horsepower alone. They're won through engineering. Inside, Lamborghini has combined its signature drama with a more advanced digital experience, giving drivers more technology without losing the sense of occasion. But one question remains: can technology replace emotion? Because the V10 wasn't loved for its numbers, it was loved for its sound, its character, its personality. And that's Lamborghini's biggest challenge. The Temerario isn't just a new supercar. It's Lamborghini's vision for the future. A future where electrification enhances performance instead of replacing it. The V10 era is officially over, but Lamborghini is betting that what comes next could be even better.